Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Where is the train?
It is on platform 9.
Where is the train?
It is on platform 9.
Is the train late?
No, it is on time.
Is the train late?
No, it is on time.
Where are you going?
I am going to Osaka.
Where are you going?
I am going to Osaka.
Do you have a map?
Yes, it is on my phone.
Do you have a map?
Yes, it is on my phone.
Is this seat free?
Yes, please sit down.
Is this seat free?
Yes, please sit down.
How much is the ticket?
It is $10.
How much is the ticket?
It is $10.
Where is your suitcase?
It is in the locker.
Where is your suitcase?
It is in the locker.
Are you a tourist?
Yes, I am from Canada.
Are you a tourist?
Yes, I am from Canada.
Do you like Japan?
I love the food here.
Do you like Japan?
I love the food here.
When does it leave?
In 5 minutes.
When does it leave?
In 5 minutes.
Is there a toilet?
Yes, near the stairs.
Is there a toilet?
Yes, near the stairs.
Can I help you?
Yes, I am lost.
Can I help you?
Yes, I am lost.
Where is the exit?
Turn left at the shop.
Where is the exit?
Turn left at the shop.
Is it raining outside?
No, it is very sunny.
Is it raining outside?
No, it is very sunny.
Do you need a taxi?
No, I will walk.
Do you need a taxi?
No, I will walk.
Is the hotel far?
No, it is very close.
Is the hotel far?
No, it is very close.
What time is it?
It is noon.
What time is it?
It is noon.
Are you tired?
Yes, the flight was long.
Are you tired?
Yes, the flight was long.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little bit.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little bit.
Is this the right bus?
No, this is bus 5.
Is this the right bus?
No, this is bus 5.
Where is the museum?
It is across the park.
Where is the museum?
It is across the park.
Do you have a pass?
Yes, here it is.
Do you have a pass?
Yes, here it is.
Is the water safe?
Yes, you can drink it.
Is the water safe?
Yes, you can drink it.
Are you staying long?
Just for 3 days.
Are you staying long?
Just for 3 days.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you so much.
Have a safe trip.
Thank you so much.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I want lunch.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I want lunch.
What is that smell?
It is fresh bread.
What is that smell?
It is fresh bread.
Is it expensive?
No, it is quite cheap.
Is it expensive?
No, it is quite cheap.
Do you like cheese?
I love strong cheese.
Do you like cheese?
I love strong cheese.
Is there a table?
Yes, in the corner.
Is there a table?
Yes, in the corner.
What do you recommend?
Try the fish and chips.
What do you recommend?
Try the fish and chips.
Is it spicy?
No, it is very mild.
Is it spicy?
No, it is very mild.
Can I have water?
Yes, with ice?
Can I have water?
Yes, with ice?
Where is the menu?
It is on the wall.
Where is the menu?
It is on the wall.
Do you take cards?
No, cash only please.
Do you take cards?
No, cash only please.
Is the soup hot?
Yes, be very careful.
Is the soup hot?
Yes, be very careful.
Do you want dessert?
I am too full.
Do you want dessert?
I am too full.
Is this organic?
Yes, from the farm.
Is this organic?
Yes, from the farm.
Can I taste this?
Of course, try a piece.
Can I taste this?
Of course, try a piece.
Is it sweet?
No, it is quite sour.
Is it sweet?
No, it is quite sour.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every morning.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every morning.
Where is the salt?
It is on the table.
Where is the salt?
It is on the table.
Are you finished?
Yes, that was great.
Are you finished?
Yes, that was great.
Do you want tea?
Yes, with milk, please.
Do you want tea?
Yes, with milk, please.
Is the market busy?
Yes, on Saturdays.
Is the market busy?
Yes, on Saturdays.
Do you cook?
Yes, I love cooking.
Do you cook?
Yes, I love cooking.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Is there meat in this?
No, it is vegan.
Is there meat in this?
No, it is vegan.
Can I get a bag?
Yes, here you go.
Can I get a bag?
Yes, here you go.
Enjoy your meal.
You too, buddy.
Enjoy your meal.
You too, buddy.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
Is it a good book?
Yes, it is a mystery.
Is it a good book?
Yes, it is a mystery.
Do you play sports?
I play soccer here.
Do you play sports?
I play soccer here.
Are you fast?
I am quite slow now.
Are you fast?
I am quite slow now.
Do you like music?
I like rock and roll.
Do you like music?
A. I like rock and roll.
Can you dance?
No, I am terrible.
Can you dance?
No, I am terrible.
Do you have a hobby?
I collect old coins.
Do you have a hobby?
I collect old coins.
Is that expensive?
Sometimes it is.
Is that expensive?
Sometimes it is.
Do you paint?
Yes, I paint landscapes.
Do you paint?
Yes, I paint landscapes.
Can I see one?
Sure, look at this.
Can I see one?
Sure, look at this.
Do you garden?
Yes, I grow roses.
Do you garden?
Yes, I grow roses.
Do they smell nice?
They are wonderful.
Do they smell nice?
They are wonderful.
Do you like movies?
I love action movies.
Do you like movies?
I love action movies.
Who is your favorite actor?
I like Tom Hanks.
Who is your favorite actor?
I like Tom Hanks.
Do you play games?
I play chess online.
Do you play games?
I play chess online.
Are you a master?
No, I am a beginner.
Are you a master?
No, I am a beginner.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, in the mountains.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, in the mountains.
Is it dangerous?
No, the trails are safe.
Is it dangerous?
No, the trails are safe.
Do you take photos?
Yes, with my camera.
Do you take photos?
Yes, with my camera.
Is it digital?
No, it uses film.
Is it digital?
No, it uses film.
Do you swim?
Yes, in the lake.
Do you swim?
Yes, in the lake.
Is the water cold?
It is freezing today.
Is the water cold?
It is freezing today.
Do you sing?
Only in the shower.
Do you sing?
Only in the shower.
Do you have a dog?
Yes, a small pug.
Do you have a dog?
Yes, a small pug.
What is his name?
His name is Barnaby.
What is his name?
His name is Barnaby.
What is your job?
I am a programmer.
What is your job?
I am a programmer.
Do you like it?
Yes, it is interesting.
Do you like it?
Yes, it is interesting.
Where is your office?
It is in Gangnam.
Where is your office?
It is in Gangnam.
Do you work hard?
I work very hard.
Do you work hard?
I work very hard.
Are you busy?
Not at the moment.
Are you busy?
Not at the moment.
Do you have a meeting?
Yes, at 2 o'clock.
Do you have a meeting?
Yes, at 2 o'clock.
Is the boss here?
No, he is traveling.
Is the boss here?
No, he is traveling.
Do you use a laptop?
Yes, a very fast one.
Do you use a laptop?
Yes, a very fast one.
Is the internet slow?
No, it is very fast.
Is the internet slow?
No, it is very fast.
Do you want a promotion?
Yes, next year.
Do you want a promotion?
Yes, next year.
Do you work late?
Usually until 7 p.m.
Do you work late?
Usually until 7 p.m.
Do you take breaks?
I take a short lunch.
Do you take breaks?
I take a short lunch.
Is the salary good?
Yes, it is fair.
Is the salary good?
Yes, it is fair.
Do you wear a suit?
No, just a shirt.
Do you wear a suit?
No, just a shirt.
Is your office quiet?
No, it is very noisy.
Is your office quiet?
No, it is very noisy.
Do you have colleagues?
Yes, a large team.
Do you have colleagues?
Yes, a large team.
Are they nice?
They are very helpful.
Are they nice?
They are very helpful.
Do you use AI?
Every day.
Do you use AI?
Every day.
Is it helpful?
It saves much time.
Is it helpful?
It saves much time.
Do you work from home?
Twice a week.
Do you work from home?
Twice a week.
Is your chair comfy?
Yes, it is new.
Is your chair comfy?
Yes, it is new.
Do you drink tea?
I prefer green tea.
Do you drink tea?
I prefer green tea.
Do you like Seoul?
It is a great city.
Do you like Seoul?
It is a great city.
Are you done today?
Yes, I'm going home.
Are you done today?
Yes, I'm going home.
See you tomorrow.
See you then.
See you tomorrow.
See you then.